Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin. Of course, this is Bitcoin quoted to Tether at Zondacrypto. So what do we see here is the ongoing correction. The local high and the swing high and the all-time high and the yearly high was made roughly around the level of 73,550. So we will mark it with the red line as the technical resistance. We got this hanging man here, then we have the confirmation, then we have the extension, slide of the bounce, roughly around 50% of this movement to the downside, inside bar, breakout to the downside. So it looks like the market is still under the bearish pressure, and now we are testing very interesting level located roughly around 63,830. so this is the technical support. All right, so there's still a chance that we will bounce from this level as the overall trend is still up, but this is a daily time frame chart. We still need to wait for the market to complete the whole daily candle. If we however break lower, then let me just copy this line. If we break lower, then the next target is located here at 59,527. So that's the outlook here for the Bitcoin in the for the next few days. Please notice that the volume is dropping. So this movement to the downside is on the way lower volume than the movement to the upside, which is typical for the corrective cycle. Let's find out where do we have our moving averages, right? So the short-term moving averages 9 and 26 are still located, as you can see on the chart. We are now below 9 periods moving average. 26 periods moving average is being tested right now, so no big deal. And of course, if I would change this to 100 and 200 periods moving average, then we will see that we are still trending above both of them. So that's not a 10. I would like to have a 100. Thank you very much. And this is what is happening, right? So the concern starts for the bulls if this level here is violated. Let me point it out with my arrow. If this level is broken, because then eventually this movement to the downside would be more than 20%. Yes, you see, and more than 20% is not something you want to see during the bull market. So the conclusion is very simple. Please keep an eye on the close of this candle. If there is a close of the daily candle below the technical support of 63,860, we most likely going to end up this correction around $60,000. The extreme is 59,300 sorry, 258. There you go. Now, any violation of this level would likely means that the top is in and we are entering longer, more complex and time-consuming correction on the Bitcoin, and that might last a few weeks even, right? Maybe even to the halving, or even few weeks after the halving is done. So right now we just observe the current situation. We just react on the levels. It doesn't seem to be that difficult because the market is has paused for the few days to be that emotional recently. So we might see some reactions from the technical levels. If there is no reaction from the technical levels, that means first indication of possible fear is eventually coming to the markets, right? To the Bitcoin market, at least. All right, so that's my analysis for the next few days. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope I see you guys next time. For now, take care and bye bye.